Howdy ho, neighbors. It's Cody here with Secondhand Farms, and it's been a while, but we're back, and I'm hoping to start filing in videos again. So one thing I wanted to start with on this video, this is just kind of a catch-up video of letting y'all know what happened the year that we were gone, and kind of get you up to speed to today. Me and Allison are no longer together. We've been separated and divorced for a while, but it was just a mutual agreement, and everything's settled. We agreed 50-50 custody on the daughter. She has her the first of the month, or first of the week, and I have her the last half of the week, and so everything's good there. I have since found someone new. Her name's Kaya, and she's very excited about living on the farm and trying to get the channel going again. She has two boys. She has Ethan, he is 7, and Hunter, who is 5. And they're great boys, and they're super excited to get into the farm life, and they love animals, and they're excited about the garden and everything else, so that's great. And Vera loves playing with them and loves spending time with them, and so we're kind of trying to blend a family, and it has its days, but I think we're getting along pretty good. So there's that. That's big news. And as far as everything else, I no longer have goats now. End of fall last year, into winter, it was so dry. The hot wire fence just quit working. If there's no moisture in the ground, it won't shock them, and it quit shocking them, and they just decided they would go for a mosey out in the yard, and I'd put them back in, and every day they would just be out, like every single one of them in the herd, the kids, the nannies, the Bob, all of them. So there was nothing I could do with it. I couldn't keep them in. I didn't have the money for the goat wire fence that had the small squares in it, so I sent those on to town. So we no longer have goats on the farm. Not 100% sure if we're going to do away with them entirely, or if maybe maybe I'll get some more pasture going, and maybe we'll get some more goats. I don't know. Haven't really decided yet. As far as the rabbits go, I am currently out of rabbits. I ended up culling the last of my rabbits that I had before hard part of winter last year, because they were starting to get older. I wasn't using them as much as I needed to, and to make it make sense. And the fact that they were older, they weren't giving me as many kits at a time, and so it was less cost effective. And so I am getting more rabbits in coming weeks. So I'm wanting to redo their whole entire rabbit area. I hate that lean-to. You're hitting your head. You're bent over all the time. It's a pain in the butt to clean out from under the cages. I've been kind of doing some looking, and I've found some different ideas that I'm maybe wanting to try and incorporate, maybe come up with something different. But I'm wanting to do something different with their area. I would like to get that on camera and kind of share that with you guys. My chickens, I had I believe it was a coon, got in and slowly dwindled off my chickens. I couldn't catch the darn thing. And so I'm also wanting to redo my chicken area and try and get that figured out, because I've got a friend of mine that's got some chickens with my name on them. I just got to get an area for them. So kind of got caught with my pants down. I don't have rabbits. I don't have chickens. Eggs are very, very expensive, especially for a house full of 5 people on the weekends. We eat a lot of eggs. So I am really, really looking forward to getting the chickens back in. And rabbit meat's really good. Also, we had rabbit pot pie one day, and the kids just thought that was great. And they even knew it was rabbit, which was a big surprise. So anyways, we're wanting to do a lot of developing on the farm. I have a bunch of stuff that I want to do technical video wise, stuff that I've got broke, stuff that I'm wanting to sell, and I'm wanting to do a little bit of repair work on before I sell it. Anyways, I'm wanting to kind of rebrand the channel. It's still going to be Secondhand Farms. It's still going to be me, the daughter, Kaya, and the boys. But I'm wanting to redo the logo. I'm wanting to just kind of spruce it up. I'd like to maybe get one of those animations for the opening, like it's real cool, a real channel, instead of just me with a phone. Anyways, so just wanted to touch base with everybody and let y'all know what all's going on, because it's been a lot over the last year. But I'm really excited about the future of the channel and the future of our family, and really, really looking forward to documenting it and having it for future reference, so we can always look back and see how much we grew and how much things changed, and just kind of memories. Anyhow, I reckon that's all I've got for today. So thanks for hanging out over the year hiatus. If you've been here this whole time, if you're new, thanks for coming by. I hope you stick around. I hope you enjoy what I have to offer. If there's anything that you'd be interested in seeing, like technical wise or garden wise, animal wise, just any kind of suggestions, I am always open. I've grown up on a farm my entire life, which I feel kind of puts me at a bit of an advantage over a lot of some of the homesteads that are out there now. They're totally town people that moved to the country, which I think is great, but they're working merely off of book smarts. And like I said, I've been on the farm my life, and I have a plethora of information that I would love to share with everybody, but I would like to know, what do you need to know? What do you not know? What would you like to learn more about? And not saying that I know everything. I'm open to learning new things also, and documenting that, and sharing that with everybody else also. So anyhow, I'm gonna hop off here. It's about lunchtime. So y'all, thanks for watching. If you got anybody that you think might be interested, shoot them a link. Get them to subscribe. It'd be awesome. And thanks for hanging out with me. And don't forget to like the video, comment anything that you'd like to see, add, or share. And I will see you shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.